everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I am Akriti Arora, a professional makeup artist at LM Makeup and Hair Academy. We as a team here not just teach our students to be professionals but also helps them with the personal development and market strategies. Along with the makeup and hair courses, we also provide them the knowledge about today's makeup and hair trends of the season. I hope you like our videos and appreciate our work, and a really big thanks from LM team. Thank you.